If you want to create your own professional and beautiful e-commerce website for absolutely free, then make sure you watch the complete tutorial. Because today in this video I'll teach you how using a free theme, free page builder and only free plugins, you can create this online store for selling different types of products like mobile phones, computers and laptops, or t-shirts and other fashion products. Basically, you can sell any type of product with this website. Now for the design, features and functionalities of this website, I've taken inspiration from the top e-commerce websites in the world like Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart and AliExpress. This e-commerce website, although made using only free resources, has all the basic and essential features that a professional e-commerce website must have. In this website, you can create any kind of products, whether it be simple product, sale product, variable or digital product, any kind of products. And a customer can come to your website, add to cart any product, and when they do that, shipping cost and tax will automatically be calculated based on the shipping address and product's weight and dimension. Then they can do the checkout and choose the payment gateway. Now the best thing over here is that they don't have to go to any third-party website like PayPal or any other website. You can accept credit and debit card payments right on your website, because we'll be securing our website with SSL certificate. And I'll show you a live payment in this tutorial. And once the payment is done, the customer will get the order details that they can later use to track their order. And every time an order is placed on your website, you will be notified through email. This free e-commerce website has many features that even premium and paid themes and plugins don't offer, like the wishlist feature, order tracking feature, variation swatches, and obviously the clean and modern website design. And not to mention that this website is 100% mobile and tablet friendly, and it is also optimized for best SEO settings so that you get better ranking on Google and Bing search results. And also you don't need any technical or programming knowledge to create this website. It's all gonna be simple drag and drop. Anybody can simply follow my step-by-step tutorial, and at the end of the video you'll have your own professional and beautiful free e-commerce website. Now before we proceed further, before I show you how you can create this website, let me first show you a very quick demo of the website that we'll be creating in this video, so that at the very beginning of the video you can get an idea about the website that you will be creating, all the different features that you will be getting and all the things that you will be learning in this video. So first of all, this is the website that we'll be creating. Now before I start creating this website, let me tell you one thing, very important thing. Many people, they install a good theme, they learn how to create a website, but still they cannot create a good website, they cannot create a beautiful design. And the reason is because they don't know how to create banners. They know how to create all these different things, but not the banners. And without the banners, without learning how to create banners, how to create different images, you cannot create a beautiful website. So in this website, I'll not only teach you how to create an e-commerce website, I'll also teach you how to design this website, and most importantly, I'll teach you how to create these kind of beautiful banners. For example, if you say this banner, in this banner you can see first of all we have this image. Now this is a professionally clicked image. This is not my image. I don't own this image, but I'll show you how you can get these kind of professional images without any copyright issues for absolutely free. Then after that, I'll show you how you can edit these images, like how you can remove the background and how you can convert this into a banner like this one. Similarly, these are all banners. These three are also banners. So you can see banners play a very important role in your website. And whether you see Amazon, Flipkart, any website, they have tons of different banners. So we'll also learn how to do this thing. At the top of the website, you will see we have our header. Instead of this logo, you can replace it with your own custom logo. We have different pages, so I'll show you how you can create a shop page, track order, blog page, about page, contact page, and so on. Then we have some icons over here. This is obviously the search icon, very important for an e-commerce website. If somebody is searching for any specific product, they can click on the search icon, they can search for that product. Then after that, we have a few more icons about which I'll explain you later. Now here, if you see the first section, in this section at the left hand side, I've given you multiple options over here. So if you have multiple categories, you can showcase those categories over here. So this website you can create, and you can see this website to create any kind of product, whether it be electronics product, fashion, jewelry and accessories, sports and entertainment, any type of product. You can also showcase your different categories over here. Then after that, as I said you earlier, I'll show you how you can create a banner and how you can create this free slider. Now I'll show you two ways. One way of creating a complete banner into an image. Another way is that this option at the right hand side, you can see this is a different type of banner. In this banner, we have the image, and on top of that, we have added some additional text. I'll show you both the ways. Then after that, we have few more options. I'll show you how you can create this icon section. So you can give free delivery if somebody purchases product, say let's over $100, or if somebody purchases product worth more than $200 or $500, you can give them free delivery. And after that, you can, if you're providing free return, big savings, support 24/7, I'll show you how you can create these things. Now for different categories, you can create different banners. For example, if somebody wants to see only accessories, they can click on this button. If somebody wants to see only products related to men, they can click on this button, and so on. Then we have the products option. We have multiple products over here. Once you hover that product, the icon or the image changes. You can see over here. Then we also have the blog section. Very important. Blogs are really important for your website because these blog posts help you to generate some additional traffic through Google and Bing search results. So I'll show you how you can create these kind of blog posts for your website. Then after that, you can see I've also created some additional products over here, different type of product. These are all electronics product. If you open a single product page, this is how it will look like. You have your product image over here at the left hand side. Once somebody hovers over this thing, it will zoom in. If they want, they can see some more images, some gallery images for this product. Then it will be a product image. And if your product has multiple variations, for example, this mobile phone is available in different memory sizes. If somebody wants to purchase the 64 GB version, they will have to pay $1,000, $999. If somebody wants to purchase the 256 GB version, they have to pay $1,400. So I'll show you how you can create these kind of variations as well. Now these variations can be used for any type of product. This was a mobile phone, or you can also take an example of a laptop wherein we have memory, we have RAM, we have different options. Or you can also take an example of some fashion product, some t-shirt or something. For example, if I open this product, here also, as you can see, we have variations. If somebody wants to purchase large t-shirt of green color, they can select this thing. And as you can see, as soon as somebody selects this variation, the product image already changes to green color and the price changes to $47. Now, if the person purchases maybe, let's say, large size red color, the price will change to $45 and also the image will change. So I'll show you how you can create these kind of products as well. Now, if somebody wants to purchase this thing, if a customer wants to purchase maybe, let's say, large red, they can click on add to cart. Once they click on add to cart, this thing will slide from the right hand side, your cart option. Now they can click on this option, view cart. And over here, they can see everything is applied over here. GST 12% is applied automatically. $1 flat shipping rate or delivery rate is applied over here. If you change your address, for example, right now my delivery address is this Maharashtra. If I change this thing, and instead of Maharashtra, if I select some other state. Now, if I select Karnataka, if I enter the city name, pin code and click on check delivery options, you will see now the delivery rate has increased to $1.50. Okay, so instead of $1, now it has changed. So you can charge different delivery options or different delivery rates or different shipping rates for different states, for different cities, for different pin codes if you want. I'll show you how that is done. And as I said earlier, automatically tax is applied on your website. If you don't want to apply tax or GST, I'll show you that way as well. Now, if your customer wants, they can click on proceed to checkout and they will be redirected to this page. Now here they can enter their address, first name, billing address, shipping address. They can all enter all these details. Now they can make payment through cash on delivery. They can make payment through credit card, debit card, UPI or net banking, or they can make payment through PayPal, or if they want, they can even make payment on your own website. Okay, you can accept credit card and debit card payments right on your website. Don't need to redirect your customers to some third-party website. So I'll show you how this thing works. And I'll also show you how you can create different coupons. So you can give them some coupon. Once they enter the coupon, click on apply, they will get some discount. Now, once they place an order, they can always go to the track order page. They can enter the order ID and billing address and they can track their order. Now we also have the shop page over here, which is a very important page. If somebody wants to see all products in one place, they can go to this page. And if they want to filter out some product, for example, I want to filter out a product based on price. So maybe my budget is only like say $500. Okay, so I'll change the filtration to 500 and click on filter. Now it will filter only those products which are under $500. I also want to do one thing. I want products under 500 and I want only electronics products. So I'll click on electronics and now I'll select 500 from here. Okay, click on filter. And now as you can see, these two products are under electronics, which are under $500. You can also filter products based on different sizes, based on different colors, based on different memory size, RAM. I'll show you how that is done. If you open a single product, this is how a single product which page will look like without any variations. Okay, simple product will look something like this. If somebody likes this product, maybe they want to purchase this product later on, they can click on add to wish list. This product will be added in the wish list. They can click on this heart icon at top and they will see this product is in their wish list. They can also do this thing from the shop page or from the home page, whatever product they like, they want to wish list. They can click on this heart icon and this product will be wish listed. They can also add to cart the product right from here. They don't have to open the page. They can add to cart the product from here. All right. And they can always go to this page. So I have created this page, my account page for your customers. So your customers will have their own front end dashboard like this one. They can see what are orders they have placed. Right now, I have not placed any orders. If they have placed any orders, they can see all the order details from here. If they have any complaints or refunds or returns, they can contact you through this option. They can log out, they can change their password, and all these things can be done from here based on customers. Then we'll also see how to create blog page, how to create different blog posts. If I open a single blog post, this is how it will look like. Okay, I'll show you how this is done. Similarly, to make this website, to complete this website, will also include about page and contact pages. So I'll show you how you can create your about page, how you can create your contact page, so that if somebody wants to contact you, they have your address, your phone number and location and everything. Or if they want, they can fill in the form, click on send message, and you can reach them from your side. We'll also see how to create footer and header. So basically, we'll learn everything that you need to learn to create this e-commerce website. And let me remind you again, using only free theme, free page builder and free plugins.